All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay Will. So we got another battery case in here, and this time it's for my Galaxy S9. And they also make this for the S9 Plus. It's 4,700 milliamps for the S9 and 5,200 for the S9 Plus. There's discount codes in the description and links to both, so be sure to check those out. You can probably grab these, I think, for as low as 25 bucks, and that is very affordable for a battery case nowadays. This is by Powerman, and these are just rechargeable battery packs for your S9 or your S9 Plus. Deeply recessed here, so you will not hurt your camera if you were to drop this on the backside. But that could also play a part in how you unlock your phone. Now, that's something that I've found to be, not uncomfortable, but it's just kind of reaching a little bit, but I have big hands, so depending on who you are and how you unlock your phone, that'll be up to you. You could also just use the iris scanner to unlock and you'll be good to go, or facial recognition, as you can see. But the battery pack itself, pretty good. No issues with it. They have to have it wide open like this because of the way the camera setup is here on the back. But other than that, man, I mean, you got the same type of deal here that you have with most. These are color coded, lets you know how much its percentage is. There's a manual in the box for that. But here you can see all the ports are cut out here. And the most important thing about this battery pack is that it's what? Type-C. So it uses your current charger, so you don't need to buy anything extra, and it doesn't come with a charger cable in the box. It just comes in these little standard packaging things here that we get from these type of charging cases. So you've got your headphone jack open, your Type-C, your microphone, your speakers, all there for you. Again, the back is completely accessible here, and power button and volume and Bixby are all covered. Then you make sure you have that microphone cut out on top. And other than that, folks, this is a battery case for the Galaxy S9 and the S9 Plus. It's your man Jay Will. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.